Welcome back to the Crypto Airdrop channel. Today, we would like to introduce you to a completely free airdrop project operating in the deep-end sector. The project we want to introduce today is Parasail. Parasail has successfully raised $4 million in funding, led by Tier 2 investment funds such as Fenbushi Capital, DWF Labs, MH Ventures, and several other investors, which you can check out on the CryptoRank website. The airdrop program has been confirmed to distribute rewards from the project. This is a completely free opportunity, so take some time to participate. Before we go into the steps to join this airdrop, don't forget to click the subscribe button to stay updated on potential future projects. Also, make sure to watch the entire video until the end so you don't miss any important details or instructions on how to participate in the airdrop. Parasail Airdrop Participation Guide. Step 1. First, visit the link provided in the description of this video. Then proceed to connect your crypto wallet. Here I am using MetaMask. Step 2. After successfully connecting your wallet, run the Parasail node. Since this is a deep-end project, all you need to do is keep your browser open to run the project. Next, switch to the Social Tasks section to complete the required actions. Follow along with me. First, connect your social media accounts: Twitter, Discord, and Telegram. Completing this step will earn you 1,500 points. Next, follow and join the project's groups to receive 3,000 points per task. Then engage with Parasail by reposting and commenting on the project's posts. Some tasks may require verification from the project before you receive rewards. Step 3. Access the dashboard to complete the Welcome to Parasail task. However, the human verification section seems to be broken. You can connect your email to fulfill the third criterion. If the human verification issue persists, I will update this section later. Additionally, you can copy and share your referral link with your friends. For each successful referral, you will earn 10,000 points. That's it. I have just introduced you to the Parasail project and how to participate in its airdrop program. I hope this information is useful for you. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on more potential projects in the near future. Sincerely, thank you, and see you again soon.